Hello, I'm Sam. I'm at the KEYCOM booth at IMS 2016. Today we're going to be looking at our radar test systems, and this is for emblems and radar covers. So ideally, when you place a emblem in front of the front-facing radar system of your car, this is a 77 gigahertz radar system, there will be no insertion loss. So you want as little loss as possible when placing that emblem in front of your car's radar. You also want as little skew as possible. You don't want this to tilt the radar's beam to the left, right, or up and down. You want the radar beam to be shooting straight out in front of your car. So what this system does is it allows you to test the insertion loss and the radar position or the radar skew when you introduce an emblem or a radar cover. So right now, this is our receiver right here, and this is our transmitter. And right now our receiver is measuring the power output of the radar, and it's also measuring the radar's alignment. So right now we have a properly aligned radar. It has an average output power of 20 dB, and it has very little skew. As you can see, the x-axis skew is positive 0.03, and the y-axis skew is negative 0.01. Now, we're going to calibrate it by pressing the relative power button, and the numbers should zero out. And we're going to place an emblem in front of the car's radar. As you can see, we've now introduced some attenuation into the system, an average of negative 2.48 dB. And we've introduced some skew into the system. This yellow dot is now where the car's radar is aligned to. So negative 1.1 on the x-axis and an elevation of negative 0.41. So for average or to be within specification, you have to have a dB or a dB attenuation level of 1.5 and a skew of no more than 0.3. So you can see here that the introduction of this emblem has placed this radar out of specification. So it can't be used with your automobile. Thank you for watching this video.